Prime Minister Narendra Modi, US President Joe Biden, and other top leaders of the world's wealthiest economies began deliberations on pressing global challenges at the G20 summit at New Delhi today. The African Union became a permanent member of the G20 today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi invited the head of the African Union, Azali Assoumani, to take his seat as a permanent member of the G20 during the first session of the G20 summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold bilateral meetings with leaders from UK, Japan, Germany and Italy. TDP chief N. Chandra Babu Naidu was arrested today in connection with the alleged Rs 550 crore fraud case. In Asia Cup Cricket 2023, Colombo is all set to host the India vs Pakistan Super 4 clash tomorrow.